Hello students, in yesterday video we learn work and life of authors about text and summary of a essay, The Trumpet Club. Today we are going to learn question of a essay, The Trumpet Club. Firstly, we see here keywords of the essay. So there are the keywords companions means amiable companions or easy in manners means a person live particular in manner. It is called companions. Another word is foreman means chairman. Next word is bencher is a senior member of one of the inns of court. And last word is a point of morality is a principle of good manners. These are the keywords from this essay. Now we are going to learn answer the following question in about 200 words each. Question first, discuss the various members of the trumpet club. So remember this question, these questions asked in university exam many times. So answer of this question is following. The present essay, The Trumpet Club, is delightful and satirical, written by Sir Richard Steele. Already we discussed about this. This is a satirical essay and delightful means one type of the enjoyable essay. So remember this line. The narrator speaks about the club life in 18th century. So here narrator or author explain about 18th century's life of the club in this essay. Club means a meeting of place, already we learn here. He described different types of peculiar personality man, and here he sketched the different types of characters. This essay presents the writer's wide knowledge of men and the manner. The rehearsal means he is a proper manner, he observes the society and he writes about the properly characters or men. He spends sometimes in the studies. After hard days work he made it his custom to spend the evenings in the company of men where he could relax. So after boring of study he go to club for the talking. Means at that days also they become the bored and for relax they go to club for discussion or to talking any subject. The number of members had come down from the original 50 to 5 and where he was considered the most learned. At that time also there are the many people in the club and after that peoples are down and they live only 50 to 5 in that club. The narrator then gives pale case of the members. Now, first character of this club, the oldest member named Sir Geoffrey Notch. So here we will discuss about Sir Geoffrey Notch. He lost all his wealth gambling on hounds. Hounds means racing dogs. The thing about at that time also lot of people spend their money or lost their money in gambling, and we know already gambling is a means very dirty game or very bad game. Horses and the gaming also he lost his money in the horses gaming. He lived his old kind of the life. So he means live himself and he lives always in his world. He was the president of the club. He is oldest, that's why he is the president of that trumpet club. So this is character. Next member is Major Matchlock. He is a kind of the gun, means he always with gun. That's why it is called as a kind of gun. He had participated in all the civil wars and his stock bordered on the same. The really he has done means he participated in Civil War, and after that also talk about the army, border and war as his nature. His greatest heroic deed was when London worker pushed him off his horse during the demonstration. Means the London worker pushed down to him, and after that he showed his adventure. The third member is referred to as Dick Reptile. Dick Reptile is the third member of that club. He is a kind of the snake that is slow and sluggy. It is called also kind of the snake. Why? Because he talks slow. That's why. He speaks little, laughs and all the jokes, and always he talking like the jokes. He would bring with his nephew who would sit down or even eat. He passed a comment of laugh and the joke would be told by his uncle. Means also he criticized to young man, young youth or young society. That's why he said, you young man are foolish, but you old men know you are fools. So he also showed the young man as a fools. So there is a contrast between the young man and old man. The fourth member was from court of law. He was a court officer. He is not referred by the name. His only claim to fame was that he knew the notorious Jack Ogle. Means he didn't explain his real name, but people of that club said Jack Ogle to him. He would tell the story of his adventure. He always tells the story of the adventure like the Canterbury Tale written by Geoffrey Chaucer. The fifth member was the narrator himself, who was regarded as the man of letters. Also you know also, means our writer also member of that club. The fifth member is our writer Sir Richard Steele. And always he write letters. That's why it is called as the man of letters. Like writers were to write something. He was referred to by the members as the scholar philosopher. The member made every evening. Means he is a scholar philosopher. And this member made to 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. This is the time of the trumpet club. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And the conversation was the same. It was for the past few years. Means past few years, their conversation on the topic, they talk on the subject. A maid form is how it used to come with the letter. She took the writer of the back home. So like that, there is a main purpose of that club to spend times or days in the old age. But writer wants to our old age spend in the real work or good work. So that is the essay. So in this way you can write the answer of this question. So remember these points were this whole summary of this question. After that, refer to context is asked in university exam. So this is important, and this question is asked for 5 marks. So through this question you can cover your marks. So we will learn here how to write that question and what is reference to context. Question second. After this, by reader will not be surprised to hear the account which I am about to give of a club of my own contemporaries, among whom I pass 2 or 3 hours every evening. So like that lines are asked in the exam from our text. So you have to read also original text, and this book is available in our library. So you see these books. Now reference. Reference means these questions, these lines which essay are included. So see here reference. This line has been taken from essay Trumpet Club written by Sir Richard Steele. So this is a common line, you remember. It is a direct play and satirical, already we discussed. The narrator speaks about a club life in early 18th century. It was a meeting place. He describes different types of peculiar personality men. This essay presents the writer's wide knowledge of man and manners. Means about the text, this means summary or this brief summary or this material you can write in the reference. So that is a common. So remember this as a reference. Another is explanation. So you have to write explanation only those lines are asked in the exam. Means write down only explanation of these lines. So like it. He spent some time in studies. So I am here explaining these lines. After a hard day's work he made, it is a custom to spend the evening in the company of men where he could relax. He was a nice place for old people. He the club with the company of men where did not have to exercise his will much. The number of members had come down from the original 50 to 5 and where he was considered the most long. The narrator then gives a pen scale of members. So this is the explanation of these lines. So next video we will learn next approach. Thank you.